For this Mother's Day, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my Earl Grey custard pudding. The recipe is so easy with just a few ingredients needed, and the smell of the Earl Grey is just lovely. My mum loved it, and I'm sure her mum will love it too. So to get things started, to make the caramel sauce, add in sugar and half the amount of water into the saucepan. Bring to a bubbly boil and simmer until it is brown. Then, carefully pour the rest of the water into the pan and shut off the heat immediately. Transfer into your pudding cups before it gets hard. In the same pot, warm milk with 2 Earl Grey tea bags to infuse the flavour. Let it cool before using. Add in all of the ingredients, eggs, vanilla extract, condensed milk, and infuse milk into a mixing bowl. Stir well. Then strain through a strainer to make it smooth. Pour the egg mixture into the cups. Each cup contains about 140 ml of egg mixture. Cover with plastic wrap or aluminium foil while you preheat your steamer. Steam in a medium heat for about 35 minutes. Stop the heat and let them cool in the steamer for another 10 minutes before removing. Serve warm or put it in the fridge to serve cold.